Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we will see some very special formula that are very important when solving maxima and minima questions. So let's get started. So the first formula is a sin x plus b cos x. For example, if it is some function, then its maximum value will be equal to under root a square plus b square. Now second is, if the function is same a sin x plus b cos x, then its minimum value will be given by minus under root a square plus b square. Now there is another fact and very important fact that if e to the power x is maximum, then x जो होता है is maximum, and vice versa, that is if ex is minimum, then x is minimum. Now the fourth fact and the last fact is that if fx is maximum, that is if we need to find the maximum value for fx, then we can find the x value from fx का whole square. See, ये मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ, because let us suppose that fx is something under root value. Okay, so for differentiating such a term, it's very difficult. So what we will do is we just square this fx so that we get a simple term, that is x cube plus 3, and we can apply the simple derivative test and can find the value of x, and we can put it directly to fx, okay, for maximum and minimum value. Now let's see one very important question from GATE. So fx is given x to the power 1 by x, and we have to find the maximum value for it. Now here again we can see that 1 by x is in power term, so it's difficult to solve it, so we will make it simple. Let y is equal to x to the power 1 by x, and now we are taking log on both sides, so log y will be equal to 1 by x log x. And now we will transfer this log term to the right hand side. So y will be equal to e to the power log x upon x. Now our fx has become e to the power log x upon x. Now we know that ex is maximum when x is maximum, right? So our new function will be log x upon x. So we need to consider only log x upon x. So let me write it. Y is maximum when log x upon x is maximum. Okay. Now, so our new function is log x upon x. So now our function has become just log x upon x, and it's very easy to differentiate this term. So f dash x will be, let's use the division rule. So we'll get 1 by x, it's x, and minus the differentiation of x is 1 into log x upon x square. Okay, now on solving we get 1 minus log x upon x square. Now it should be equal to 0 according to derivative test, so log x equal to 1 and x equal to e. Now f dash is equal to what we got was 1 minus log x upon x square. Now let's find out f double dash x. So it will be the differentiation of 1 minus log x will be minus 1 by x into x square, minus x square term will become 2x, and it will be same as 1 minus log x upon x to the power 4. Now, so let's just simplify it further. So minus x minus 2x plus 2x log x upon x to the power 4. Now we will cut 1x from numerator and denominator, so we get minus 3 plus 2 log x upon x cube. Now what we had was x equal to e. Now let's see for f double dash e. So what we will get is minus 3 plus 2 log e upon e cube. Okay, now log e will be equal to 1, and we get minus 1 upon e cube. See, e cube is a positive number. So how can you say that? So let's see. Let's use the calculator. It's 20 point something. So e cube is positive. Okay. And minus 1 will make this term negative, that is less than 0. Therefore, fx is maximum at when x equal to e or at x equal to e. So the maximum value of fx will be equal to, what I said was that we just need to put the e in the fx term. So maximum value of x to the power 1 by x is equal to e to the power 1 upon e. So this is the answer. Now let's see another question. For fx is equal to 9 sin x plus 3 cosine x. Now the maximum value will be, so what will be its maximum value? It will be equal to under root a square plus b square. Now what is a? A is 9 and b is 3. So the maximum value will be 9 square plus 3 square, and you can find the answer, right? Now for minimum value, what will it be? It will be minus under root a square plus b square. So it will be minus of 9 square plus 3 square. Now you can use the calculator and solve it. Now let's see another question. Let us suppose fx is equal to e to the power sin x plus cos x. Okay, so we have already discussed that e to the power x is maximum when x is maximum. Okay, so now the sin x plus cos x will be maximum, or it will have a maximum value of under root a square plus b square. So it will be under root 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. So root 2 is the maximum value for sin x plus cos x. Therefore now we have to say that for fx is equal to e to the power sin x plus cos x, the maximum value will be equal to e to the power root 2. So that's the answer. Now let's see another type of question. So the question is fx is equal to e to the power sin x upon e to the power cos x. Now we know that for same base the powers are subtracted for a division rule. Okay, so it will be e to the power sin x minus cos x. Now the maximum value of sin x minus cos x is 1 square plus minus 1 ka whole square is equal to root 2. So the answer will be equal to e to the power root 2. And so that's all for today. Thank you.